Sweet captions for your 1-month-old baby part 1. 1 month down, a lifetime of love to go. Every yawn, every smile, and every coo fills our heart with love. 1 month of pure happiness. You're only 1 month, and you've already mastered the art of melting hearts. Our hearts are full, thankful for this little miracle. Happy 1 month. Unconditional love in its smallest form. Happy 1 month. 1 month of pure joy and endless diaper changes. Here's to surviving 1 month with a tiny human ruling our lives. Our little superstar is 1 month cuter.
Comment your favorite caption below.
If you're expecting a baby, then this ebook is for you. Purchase now on the website and get it instantly downloaded on any of your devices. And it also comes with a gift. Website is linked up. Don't forget to follow for more baby names. Bye.